guys, it's Michael on YouTube, and today I want to review Optec, which is a binary option broker. They're very old, they've been around for a while, and they're fully licensed and regulated. Now, one of the main benefits is that they're available globally for US traders, for pretty much everyone who wants to trade. So they have no restrictions. They offer a demo account once you make your first deposit. Optec also offers a very high payout of up to 85%. And with one touch and different features, they offer up to 600% on your investment. Now, I know some of you ask me if there is any other broker that refunds money on losing trades. So Optec is a broker that will refund between 5 to 15% on losing trades, just like with any option. So I know that most brokers will give you nothing on losing trades. So since Optec has a very high return on winning trades and they refund money on losing trades, then your rate of success is going to be much higher in comparison with most brokers who will refund 0 on losing trades and on average 75% on winning trades. Now, besides the return on losing trades, they also offer a feature called Sell Now, which allows you to obviously sell the option before expiry, such as with the Option Plus offered by any option exclusively. So this is a feature you're not going to find with any of the other brokers besides Optec and any option. And this feature will allow you to sell the option even if you're out of the money. So it's a great way to minimize the loss on losing trades. And since you're getting a very high return on winning trades, it's definitely a great broker to work with. Now, they also offer live trading from charts. So you don't have to rely on their graphs. You can actually trade from professional charts that are synced to their platform. Now, one disadvantage that I found with Optec is that they offer only about 60 different assets you can trade from, which in comparison with some platforms who offer 200 assets is very limited. But still, they offer all the popular assets. You can trade Google, Facebook, oil, Euro USD, all the different popular currency pairs. So overall, if you ask me, I think it's a great broker. They're licensed, they're regulated. There is over 100 different brokers. Now, many of the brokers are white labels, and they use the same platform. So if you go with Cedar Finance, Bank the Binary, Easy Trader, Want2Trade, Bank the Swiss, many of those brands use the same interface, the same payouts. They're just white label of the same company, spotoption.com. So Optec is an independent broker, just like any option. And they have their own features, their own interface, they're professional. Now, I've done a little research as well to see if there's any negative reviews, and Optec is very clean. They've been around for a long time and long enough to indicate that they're a great platform since they lack all the negative reviews, such as with Cedar Finance and Bank the Binary. On my website, binaryoptionchannel.com, you'll find the complete review, and below this video I'll put a link to the platform so you can check it out. Now, remember that you can always register free, and you can skip the deposit part and get access to all the learning resources. So that's it as far as Optec. I think they're a great broker, and if you have any questions about them or any other broker strategies or any other topic relating to binary options, you can always email me. I'll post my email below this video as well. And that's pretty much it for today. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.